Hello and welcome, Victor here from Multifunction Crewe, today presenting this used SEAT Ibiza 1.2 TSI SE. Finished in white and powered by 1.2 petrol engine producing 90 PS with manual transmission, it delivers dependable winter usability with light and efficient performance. The Ibiza features halogen headlights with LED daytime running lights giving it clear visibility and sharp front end look. And it rides on a 15-inch alloy wheels, balancing comfort and maneuverability, helping the Ibiza stay stable and composed on uneven winter road surfaces. Other LED taillights provide crisp illumination, enhancing visibility at night, and the boot offers practical everyday space ideal for shopping or daily commuting, and the 60/40 split folding rear seats add flexibility when transporting larger items. Rear passengers benefit from ISOFIX mounting points, height adjustable headrests, and comfortable seating position with good legroom and headroom. The tinted windows create a pleasant environment. The driver enjoys height adjustment, a supportive seat, and straightforward dashboard layout. The cabin features gloss black details and intuitive controls, while the air conditioning ensures warm and comfortable interior throughout the winter. The leather multifunction steering wheel includes audio and phone controls for convenience, and a clean instrument cluster with brightness adjustment keeps key information visible in all lighting conditions. In the center of the dash you'll find controls for the air conditioning system and infotainment system, offering Bluetooth phone connection and smartphone compatibility for communication and media, as well as the DAB radio and sound system with 6 speakers offering crisp audio, voice control for hands-free convenience, as well as the navigation system with traffic updates. You can also dive into the vehicle menu to access car information and driver aids, as well as car status, displaying warnings, settings, and system details. The driver can also choose to use Eco Trainer, helping them improve driving efficiency. This has been a presentation of this SEAT Ibiza 1.2 TSI SE. For more information on this vehicle or to arrange a test drive, visit us online or give our friendly sales team a call today.